Hi, this is Amy from Whimsy Stamps, and I'm here today to share some inspiration for a beautiful Father's Day card using Fishing Fanatics and farmhouse paper. And the farmhouse paper, I'm looking for the perfect masculine background to go with the Fishing Fanatics stamp set, and I really love all of these, but I really like this light wood-grained paper. And I'm also pulling out this dark wood grain paper because I might use those. And there's the Fishing Fanatics, and I really love the detail drawing of all of these images. Perfect for Father's Day. First, I am choosing two of the images from the Fishing Fanatics stamp set, and I've chosen the satchel and the hat. And I am stamping these in embossing ink and then using antique gold embossing powder on them. And I just love the way the detail of these stamps shows through in the shine from that embossing powder. I've then cut out two circles from the farmhouse paper pack, the one that I chose, which is that light wood grain. And here I am just trying to figure out how I want these to be arranged onto my card. And I've already stamped and then heat embossed in gold my sentiment, which says Happy Father's Day, which is from the Happy Sayings and Everyday Scripted Sentiments stamp sets. Here I am stamping in clear embossing ink two fishing lures from the Fishing Fanatics stamp set. And I just cut a strip of paper from that farmhouse paper pack of the wood grain, and I'm just adding it on just as a little bit of detail because I noticed that there needed to be something on that left-hand side of my card. So now I'm ready to put everything together and assemble it. So first I'm going to take my circles, my wood grain circles, I'm going to put those down, and these are going to be placement holders for the images that I heat embossed from the Fishing Fanatics set. And I felt the sentiment was a little too white, so I wanted to make it match a little bit more. So I just grabbed some brown ink that I had and just quickly blended over. And then, of course, I made sure to wipe away that excess ink so the shine of the Happy Father's Day shows through. And then I'm just going to attach using dimension tape on the fishing hat and the satchel onto each of those circles. So they're right there and they're prominent, and the circles are really kind of holding on and showing off these two images. And that is my masculine card for Father's Day. It's really beautiful. I love the detail from our stamp set, and I love that paper pack that just really shows everything off. So thank you so much for joining us today on the Whimsy Stamps channel. Please like and subscribe and follow us on social media. Have a great day.